I'm going to see Katzenmoyer.
When?
Right now.
What are you going to give him?
Nothing more than a wake-up call. I want your permission to kick his ass.
You want to dangle his job in front of him?
Yeah.
No.
I want to let him hear the branch creak.
We do that, it doesn't work. We can't do it again.
If it doesn't work, I back off. If it doesn't work, we give Katzenmoyer a Metrolink, and we let O'Bannon order off the menu. If it does work, I think we get the other 4 votes no problem. When word gets out, we're not screwing around.
I should sell tickets to this meeting.
You gotta understand the people in my district, Josh.
Your constituents like the Tech 9 and the Wrecker Mini 14, do they? They go quail hunting with an Uzi?
I won with 52% of the vote. From the moment I'm sworn in, I need to raise $10,000 a week just to run a re-election campaign.
And you're not doing so well.
Averaging $6,500. That's money I can just squeak by with. If the NRA makes me a target, the next election I lose, plain and simple. Ask me 2 years from now, I'll be there for you.
55,000 more people will be shot and killed with guns 2 years from now, but that's very much beside the point.
What is your point?
Forgive my bluntness, and I say this with all due respect, Congressman, but vote yes, or you're not even going to be on the ballot 2 years from now.
How do you figure?
You're going to lose in the primary.
There's no Democrat running against me.
Sure there is.
Who?
Whomever we pick.
You're bluffing.
Okay.
I'm in your own party.
It doesn't seem to be doing us much good now, does it?
Against an incumbent Democrat. You go to the press and endorse a challenger?
No, sir. We're going to do it in person. See, you won with 52%, but the president took your district with 59%. And I think it's high time we come back and say thanks. Do you have any idea how much noise Air Force One makes when it lands in Eau Claire, Wisconsin? We're going to have a party, Congressman. You should come. It's going to be great. And when the watermelon's done, right in town square, right in the band gazebo. You guys got a band gazebo?
Josh.
Doesn't matter. We'll build one. Right in the band gazebo. That's where the president's going to drape his arm around the shoulder of some assistant DA we like. And you should have your camera with you. You should get a picture of that, because that's going to be the moment you're finished in Democratic politics. President Bartlett's a good man. He's got a good heart. He doesn't hold a grudge. That's what he pays me for.